Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Oh yeah, we live, baby. Oh yeah, let's get it. Let's see if the family is in the building. Good morning, comment section. Good morning, baby. Let's get it. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Let's go. My guy said I ducked out of the meeting to see Keenan live. Let's go, baby. Appreciate you, big dog. Here we go. Here we go. Robinhood, $85 record high. Oh, yeah, that happened. Let's check them out. Let's check them out. But you know what? I want to give a major shout out to everybody who gets in the building at the beginning. Shout out to all of the family. Shout out to the Discord family. Oh, yeah. Somebody said Keenan Radio, baby. Let's get it. So you already know what time it is, baby. We going to the promised land. We know where you going. But let me know where you from in the comments, baby. I see North Carolina in the building. Remember, this is a head count. This is a roll call. Let us know where you from. Rep your city, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it, baby. I see Georgia's in the building. I see Jersey's in the building. I want to give a shout out to the family. I see you. Hawaii is in the house. We got Detroit in the building. People pulling up from everywhere, baby. We got Arkansas, Discord family in the building. I see you. I see you. San Diego is in the house. We got Lexington, South Carolina in the building. Colorado, India. We got Indiana. Oh, yeah. San Francisco, Austin, Haiti in the house. Somebody said Norwich, Connecticut. Shout out to CT. We got California, New Jersey. Shout out to Jersey in the building. Guyana, the Dominican Republic is in the building. We got Hartford, Connecticut. We got Chicago in the building. Shout out to my guy Alvin for the love. He said Singapore is in the building and it's about to get hot in the kitchen. Let's go, Alvin. Let's get it, baby. Chi-Town is here. Princeton, Indiana in the building. Indiana. Let me tell you something. I appreciate y'all. That's a new one for me. But let's get it. South Dakota. Amsterdam is in our house. Oh, yeah. Mexico is in a building, too. Family, Memphis, Kansas, Jamaica. Oh, yeah. We showing out today. And again, I want to give a major salute to everybody who jumps in on the beginning. I appreciate y'all for catching the show. Let's talk about it. Somebody said Key West. Let's go. Let's go. Arizona is in the house. I see you, baby. Now, family, let's get it. This is not financial advice. I just hope you brought your oven mitts, baby, because it's about to get hot in the kitchen. Now, don't invest in companies you don't understand and don't believe in, because if they dip, you not gonna buy the dip, and then you gonna sell low and be right back here crying to me, and I'm not having that. You heard what I said? I said, I'm not having that. So if you can't do the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in the index funds. Then hit that like button, show your boy some love. Hit that notification bell to stay tuned. Let's get straight to the point. Subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get it, baby. Shout out to Cincinnati in the building. I see you. I see you. Texas is in the building. Oh, yeah. Look at AMC, baby. We getting over the $30 mark. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. And this is the hour chart. Let's look at the minute chart. AMC, we want to see you come back from where everybody else thought it was dead. Somebody said they got the zombie apes in the building. Louisiana in the building. Said, Keenan, you cool, bro? You know it. You know it, baby. I appreciate you for that. Yesterday on the Masked Investor, shout out to my guy, the Masked Investor. Big dog. Puerto Rico is in the building. Manhattan is in the building. I see you, Manhattan, New York. Let's go. Florida is in here. Now, family, since we got the family in here, oh yeah, Ric Flair, baby. Woo! Let's get it. You know what time it is. It's time to get it. It's time to make some money, either on the way up or on the way down. So let's go. So we see that AMC is going up right now, and we like that. If you look in the pre-market, we've been on an uptrend, family. Shout out to AMC for that. And this is since what? 8 o'clock. It's been running up in the last hour or so. So you already know what time it is. Somebody said it's not a dead cat. It's not a dead cat. It's not a dead ape. Nothing. None of that. None of that, baby. Let's keep it going. Now, take a look at this. AMC, let's go back. Let's see where we were yesterday. Let's just go just a bit yesterday. So, yesterday, we closed somewhere around the $29 range. And then we've been dropping even in the after hours. But today, we coming back, baby. We coming back. But Shout out to my guys, Alonzo, for joining us. Let's get it. And shout out to Courtney Williams. Appreciate you for the love. He said, hot stock, get your nerves bad. You got this. You got this, family. I want you to know that I'm holding for you. And guess what? The rest of the family holding for you, too. Discord family in the building. Shout out to my guy, Jay Pittman, too. I see you, big dog. Northern Ireland is in the house. Let's get it. Good morning, Discord fan. Let's go. Let's go. Pennsylvania's in the house. You never say Long Beach. I haven't seen it, big dog. Brandon, or Brand, I see you, big dog. Let's get it. Shout out to Long Beach in the building. Nepal. I have not heard of that, family. I appreciate you and I love y'all. I just know that. Just know that. I might have to visit there one day so I can see it in person. All right, so now let's talk about it, baby. So AMC, we want to see this break above that $31 mark. This was a support in the past, but now it's going to act as a resistance. So we want to see it break right above that. Oh, actually, it was actually resistance in the past. Boom, resistance just yesterday. Boom, we want to see it break above, but let's see what's going on, baby. All right, so as you see the title of this video, the apes are actually holding. So there's a concept that's called the silver lining, right? You may have heard of it. This is when something negative happens, or at least it looks negative, and then you think about it further, and then you can see that there was some good in there, right? Shout out to my prehistoric apes. I want you to see this. So all of us know that, and let's just go back, right? Let's keep it all the way, break it down. Let's go to the daily chart on AMC. So right now, all of these things, the green and red rectangles that you see, they're called candles, for those of you who don't know. Now, the volume on yesterday was about 84 million. If you look at yesterday's candle, right? And it was negative overall. Brought us all the way down to 29.81. Now, our volume at 84 million, you see that? 84 million all the way up here. You can kind of see it when I go here. Keep your eye on it. 84,583,482. These are all of the shares being traded on the day, right? All of the trades that happen. Okay, now that we know that, let's take a look and compare to the dark pool. For those of you who don't understand what a dark pool is, this is where the large institutions go to trade. The large institutions, and I actually have a definition I'm going to pull up for you because I know a lot of you are new here, and I want you to fully grasp what we're going on and what we're talking about here, because this is important. Here we go. Let me show you something. Shout out to the family. You know I got you, baby. You know I got you. Somebody said the shorts covering. No. Shorts ain't cover. Shorts ain't covered, baby. They still got all these shares that they holding on to. And I want to tell you this. The shorts, they don't just want to cover to get out of their short position. They want to win. But I'll talk about that a little bit later. All right, so take a look at this. If you look at the definition of a dark pool, it says this. And let me make sure I can see the family, because I can't see you right now. You can see me, but I can't see you. Okay, here we go. And let me pull up, make this as clear as I could possibly make it, and it's simple to see. Here we go, boom. Just pay attention to this right here. So, a dark pool, for those of you who don't know, and keep in mind what the key terms in here are. It says this. What is a dark pool? A dark pool is a privately organized forum, or we can just keep it simple. A dark pool is a privately organized exchange that allows institutional investors to trade without exposure until after the trade. That's important. Dark pools do report. There are other kind of pools that do not report. However, dark pools do report after the trade is done. I want you to consider that and think about that. So, why is that important? When you look at AMC and you look at the dark pool data, you get an idea of how many people, or what is the percent is being traded on a dark pool. Take a look at this. 60%, 64%, 65% of all of the volume. Look at this. The volume here, this candle, is representative of 84 million trades. 84 million trades, family. I'm getting a commercial? Hold up. Let me X out of this. Boom. All right. So 64 or 62% of that, all of that volume, family, is happening on the dark pool. I want you to ask yourself a question. Do you even know how to trade on the dark pool? Yes or no? Do you know how to trade on the dark pool? Have you ever met anyone who has traded on the dark pool? The answer is probably no. Okay, so then, just on the 3rd, which was 2 days ago, the percent was 64%. On the 26th, on the 23rd, on the 22nd, it was in the 70s, family. What does this mean? This means, by and large, none of the apes are trading this. We are straight up diamond handing this stock because we don't trade on a dark pool. So when you see this, good morning, family. Appreciate you. Exactly. Most of us ain't trading on a dark pool. And to be honest, most apes probably wouldn't even have the money or the amount of shares needed to trade on a dark pool, because this is for large block trades, extremely large block trades in the millions and tens of millions, if not billions of dollars of trades. Okay, so notice on the dark pool, or just in general, there's 60%. So this means the majority of all of the trading happening on AMC is happening over on the dark pool. And the silver lining to that, family, is none of us know how to trade over there or even have the amount of shares needed to trade over there, family. That's what's important about that. That's what's so important. The apes are holding strong, and the silver lining to all of this dark pool trading is that we know that the people who are supposed to be holding are holding. And I want you to keep that in mind. Understand that. You already know I got allergies, family. I gotta, woo, blow my nose, baby. Somebody said, check AMC, check Robinhood in the pre-market. I got you. I got you. You know I got you, family. You know I got you. Hold on. Running it. Let's get it. Indianapolis in the Discord, family. Let's go. All right, so let's check them out. Somebody said, check out Robinhood. Robinhood is down. Let's see. Let's go to the more granular look right here. Boom. So it was all the way up to, what time was this? Yeah, at basically 4 o'clock, it got to 71, but now it's all the way down to 64. So that means it actually ran up a bit, boom, and then came right back down to 64. But I said this, somebody said, I'm allergic to short sellers. You already know what time it is, baby. Amsterdam in the house. Let's get it. Let's go. London in a building. I see you. I see you. I see you, baby. All right. So now let's keep it going. Let's take a look at what's going on with them right now. We might be able to draw a trend. I don't generally like to draw the trends right away. Oh yeah, family. Remember how I was telling you that, let's take a look at this. The same way that AMC apes are not, somebody's making you feel like you got to sneeze. The same way that AMC apes are not trading on the dark pool to load up on this, guess what? Let's take a look at Robinhood like I did in my previous video. Ticker symbol HOOD. On the dark pool, look at this. This is the dark pool data. The net volume is 17 million, right? 17 million shares being traded over there, right? Just recently. This has only been out for a few days. And then the position, 7.6 million shares over there. And then the dollar amount, 848 million or dollars, $848 million in buying pressure over on the dark pool. So again, allegedly, supposedly, what's happening, family? It's looking like, it's quacking like this is being pumped up. I'm not buying this over on the dark pool. I got a question for you. Are you buying Robinhood over on the dark pool? Are you putting about $1 billion almost into the dark pool to pick up Robinhood stocks? Nope. Nope. So I see a few people in the comments. Somebody said that they're about to short Robinhood. Listen, you could short Robinhood if you want. Some people said they're about to buy Robinhood. You could buy Robinhood if you want. Personally, I'm not doing either one. I'm not doing either one. I'm staying out of this one. You already know what time it is, baby. At least for now. At least for now, I'm totally not going to run and play on this. It's too new. The big dogs, it seems like they, oh yeah, take a look at this. Take a look at this. You got to keep your eye out to the streets and see what's going on. Put your ear to the ground. Take a look at my guy, Charles Payne, what he just said. Did I have this on a screenshot? I think I do. I think I do. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. Take a look at what my guy, Charles Payne said. So he said, breaking news. Robinhood is to sell 97.9 million shares from early investors. The same bloated billionaire VC funds that get in at dirt cheap prices. I said on my show, be careful not to be long when lockup ends and firms begin ratings. Be nimble if you are a trader. AKA, you better watch your back on this one, family. Definitely watch your back on this one. Shout out to the market being open. Ding, ding, ding. I see you. Let's go. But again, the big dogs, stay positive. You got that right. The big dogs is playing games with the retail investors. You can already see what time it is. The big dogs, they're buying this on a dark pool. They're buying this on a dark pool. So a lot of their buying, you already know what's happening with that. And allegedly, supposedly, nobody has proof for this yet, but it wouldn't surprise me if they were delaying sell orders. That would not surprise me at all. But there's no way that they could hide such a big block order like this. Let's get it. Or at least for too long. It would always have an impact on the market. AMC, let's check them out, baby. Let's check them out. We got 2,000 people in the building. If you just getting in, let me know where you from, baby. We got to get to know you better. All right, so let's see. AMC, we're on Hood right now. Hood is in $59 range, $58 range. I wonder where you think they're headed. That's funny. I'm not even going to repeat that. Here we go. AMC. Hey, look at that candle. Whoa, look at that. Let's go. The apes is buying a dip. The apes are buying a dip. Let's go. So today, I want to see high volume on AMC. Amsterdam is in the house. I see you. I want to see high volume on AMC. That's what we're looking for. Extremely high volume. Somebody said look up AMD real quick. I got you. AMD is down. All right, yeah. Cool. But let's go back to AMC. All right, boom. So we ran up to 32, but we're coming back down. Mexico is in the building. Cincinnati in the building. Hood is cooling off for sure. Oh, yeah. RIP to everybody that got in at 85. And I told you this yesterday during the live stream. And you know what? My internet went out. That was mysterious, but I got it back on. But I want you to see this. When this thing went up to 85, and look at this. Let me ask you a question. Does this look weird to you that it hit 85 on the dot? Not 85.10, not 85.01, 85.00. Like, that's really specific. That's highly specific. And then it came all the way back down. Some would argue, shout out to Singapore, shout out to Portland, so shout out to the family, shout out to Tibet. That's a new one. Shout out to Miami. Let's get it, baby. Some would argue that this thing has been pumped up to 85 and then dumped back down to where it is now. Some would argue that. It is what it is. It is what it is, baby. AMC, let's go. I love to see it. I love to see this one run. We still up 2%. Even though this candle is red, let's look at it on the minute chart. On the minute chart. You know what, family? AMC needs some love. Could we get some tears in the chat? You already know what time it is. Tears in the chat. What does that mean? This is quantumly entangled. There's a quantum entanglement, meaning what happens to one happens to the other. It's like when you're doing math. That means boom, boom, boom. All of a sudden, you can see this thing turn green if we get tears in the chat. Green candles are run on hedge fund tears. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's get it. I want to see. We need some tears in the chat. Here we go. Come on, tears in the chat. Let's go. Let's run them up. Let's run them up. Look at this. Let's run them up, baby. This one has been falling down. We need to give it some tears in the chat to make it run. AMC Avengers, assemble, baby. Assemble. Let's make it run up. Oh, here we go. Look, it's working. Here we go. It's working. Come on, baby. We need some more fuel. You know those hedge fund tears? Come on, push. Let's go. Let's go. Fight. Fight. Look, we got the tears in the chat. Look, come on. Here I go. I'm going to the chat too. I think we need even more tears in the chat. I'm coming for the family. This one. They're trying to defeat us in a battle, family, but guess what? We are ready. We ready. We built for this fight. Tears in the chat. Here we go. Here we go. I'm coming for some tears in the chat too. I can't leave the family hanging. I cannot leave the family hanging. Bang. Tears in the chat. Here we go. It's working. AMC, we need We know what you fueled on. We need, come on, here we go. Oh yeah, family, the tears in the chat. This is a scientific fact that tears in the chat are heavily correlated with a bounce off of a support line. If you look in a textbook, any textbook from Harvard, from Yale, from any major university, if you see that, you're gonna see that it's heavily correlated with support and then a reversal into a green uptrend. Now, come on now, you cannot argue with science. You cannot argue with the facts. Watch. You know what? Let's stop doing tears in the chat in a little bit. For now, let's keep it going. But in a little bit, we're going to stop and then we'll see what happens. Look at that green candle. Look at that. Bow. We slowed it down with all of the tears in the chat on this candle. Slowed it even more. Slowed it even more. Bow. Green. Look at that. Man, look, family. We have full control. When Adam Aaron told us, the CEO of AMC, when he told us, you know what, the Apes own 80% of the shares, guess what he didn't necessarily specifically say? We are in full control of what goes on here. I want you to understand that. Let's get it. Let's get it. And let's go to, somebody said it's working for Pinterest too. Oh, look at that. Boom! Pinterest is fighting. Family, we got some good news. Pinterest is fighting with the $60 mark now instead of fighting with the $58 mark. So that's excellent. All we just gotta wait for is the big dogs to join up in on this. Lit. Oh yeah. Culinary Ninja, shout out to you. Tears in the chat, baby. Let's get it. My guy Raphael, he said Keenan sound like he in a delivery coaching through the pregnancy. Oh, right. Love the vibe, my guy. Let's go. He said, somebody said, how come that site says I have no shares on the say? I'm not sure. I'm not sure why it would say something like that. If you got shares, you already know what time it is. You already know what time it is, baby. Oh, look, family, look. It looked like, oh, let's go, Disney. Let's go, Disney. Let's go, Disney. Discord family, I got a question for you. Are you still in the Disney call? Are you still in the Disney call? If you're in the Disney call, let me know in the comments. I can't legally tell you when to get out of the Disney call option, but Discord family, if you still in the Disney call option, let me know. Let me know, because today's your day. Today's your day, and it's not even nowhere near done. Shout out to the Discord family. I told you. Yep. Here we go. Somebody said, yep, I'm in it. Let's go. Discord family for the win. Somebody said, yes, sir, I'm in. Listen. Somebody said, I just sold. Let's get money. I'm telling you, this thing, look, bow. Now, again, I can't legally tell you when to sell, but I could set you up for when some old Disney getting chicken. Let's go. You know how we do. We get in, bow, we get out. Let's go. Listen, we knew. Shout out to everybody who eating. Discord family in the building. Still in the Disney play. I see you. I see you. Discord family in the building. I love to see the family eat. I love to see the family eat. That's what I'm talking about. You know how somebody say, yep, I'm in the Disney play. Disney is barbecue chicken. Somebody said, I'm selling it right now. Let's get this money. Shout out to the Discord family. I'm telling you right now, I love to see y'all eat. And for those of you who are not in the Discord, I'm going to show you right now how we find stuff like this. How we find, somebody said, you're amazing, Keenan. I appreciate you. Just know that. Just know that. I love seeing the family eat. Let me back out of this and show you something. Not too long ago, we seen Disney completely just crash down like this. You see this? Completely just bow, fall off of the earth. And you know what happened? And even worse, let me back out even more. It got up to 181. Scarlett Johansson, who is the Black Widow in the movie theater, somebody said, LMAO, let's go. Let's go, AMC. Let's go. Let's go, everybody who got money on Disney too. But somebody said, yes, mouse in the house, let's go. Here we go. So Scarlett Johansson, who is the Black Widow in the Marvel movies, she sued him, right? She said they ain't acting right. They ain't acting right, baby. with the contract stuff. So then boom, it came down, and then it dropped like a rock. Whenever you see an overreaction like this, sometimes it's for good reason, but sometimes, you know what? This is a chance to let it bottom out, and then it hit 170, just about 171, and you look back in the past. And we seen that it had about 1, 2, 3 touches slightly under the 171 line. Or wait, what line is this? 174. Go back. Right here, 172 just about. We let it come down, load it up, and then boom, today's your day. Shout out to the Discord family. Shout out to everybody that just got money on the Disney play. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I love seeing the family eat. I love it. I absolutely love it. Let's go. Discord family, let's get it, baby. Let's get it. And you know what's funny? It's not luck. You see, we get on here every day and we talk about how we getting in and out of these. It's not luck. Let's talk about it. So let's look back at AMC because we cannot leave AMC hanging. Even shout out to Disney. Shout out to Disney. Oh, before we go to AMC again, let's look at Nio. Nio, let's go, baby. We need Nio, family. We need Nio to break above that. Somebody said sold and filled. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We need Nio to break above, I want to say 46, 47. We tired of seeing Nio in these ranges. We want to see it, bam, go up. So Ethereum, let me X out of this one because this is not Ethereum. Delete. Okay, so Ethereum. Today is an important day for Ethereum, but it looks like people may be on the way to look, ride the wave up, sell the news on the way down. But remember this, if you're looking to load up on Ethereum, I told you about 2 key levels on Ethereum. It's about 2,200 and about 1,700. These are key levels on Ethereum for support. I made a video about it recently. But man, let's get it. And let's see. Somebody said AMC is going down. Guess what, family? What have we not been doing so much of? Some of us kind of cooled off on is the new Ethereum upgrade it's supposed to have happened at 7:45 a.m. Somebody said CTRM is running. Look at that. Bow! From 2 all the way up to about 240, just about. Let's go. Just about, look at that. You know what's so funny, family? I told you time and time again that I wouldn't buy this up here, but I told you that this company is solid. This company is solid. It just suffers from Wall Street trying to short them out of existence, and then just the shutdown, the lockdown, everything like that. Let's go. Here we go. And let's go back to AMC. Man, I gotta sneeze. I think I must be getting a call from my boy Ken Griffin. Hold up. Oh, my guy Jay Appleseed. He said ScarJo mad that new girl's taking her place, and she is fire. Yo, she is fire. Listen, I gotta be real. Now, if you have not seen, and this is in reference to Disney stock, right? Black Widow, the movie, right? Scarlett Johansson, she's basically suing Disney. I didn't mean to go to the wiki one. Black Widow. So let's talk about it. That's a very good point. Let's look at the cast. Right? This girl, Florence, she killed it. She killed it. Scarlett Johansson, she's suing Disney, so you could imagine that you're never gonna see her in a Disney movie again after a lawsuit. So they actually set it up so that this girl Florence, was, I don't know if she's getting a Disney Plus show or what's going on with it, but they set her up at the end, like in the after credit scene for, I'm not gonna spoil it, but they set her up for something. So she killed her role in there. So if she becomes the new replacement for Scarlett Johansson, look, nobody's gonna be mad about that. Somebody said, I saw you on the Mass Investor stream yesterday. That, fire, my guy. Shout out to my guy. Keenan just joined the Discord. Love you, man. Shout out to my guy, Antonio Sanchez. Welcome to the family, baby. K. Jones said this is in reference to Disney stock. Listen, she fired. She killed this role. She killed it. I can't even front. I cannot even front. And look, we know, CTRM is running. They have options too. But look, I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone for now. Let's go back to Disney so we can see this giant candle. Listen, whenever you see something undervalued like this, you already know what time it is. Disney is a proven banger. Proven banger. But, oh yeah, you know I gotta do it, family. I gotta do it. Oven mitt check. Let me see if you got them on. Let me see if you got them on. Oven mitt check. Okay. Food start with the letter Q. What is... I see you got them on, baby. You got them on. I see you. Let's get it. I see you, baby. You got them on. Let me see if you got them on. I'm going to the chat. I got them on. I want you to know that. I got them on. Oven mitt check. Crystal, I see you got them on. I see you got them on. Jake got them on. My guy Onaria, you got them on. Zay got them on. And you got them on. My guy Jay Cardio got them on. Kenneth got them on. K Jones, you got them on. Almighty Reacts got them on. Joey got them on. K Douglas got them on. Dion, you got them on. Scott has the oven mitts on. Oh yeah, James got them on. Craig got them on. Let's go. Let's get it, baby. Merkin got them on. Lord got them on. Oh, I see you. Look, we all set in here. Hustle Fam got them on. T-Bone got them on. Oh, Miguel got them on. Let's go. Listen, I had the oven mitts. Did I leave them down here? Oh, I had the oven mitts on when I went to my guy, the Masked Investors video. I had to put on a mask too. He told me nobody believed and nobody understood until he put on the mask. I want to give a shout out to my guy again. And shout out to my guy Short the VIX too. I plan on going on with him in the very near future. Who is Short the VIX? The big dog. I'm telling you. What we try to do here is, you know what? We bring the Avengers together. And you know what, family? I want to explain something to you. Look at Disney. Oh my God, family. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Family, if you in that call option, you are getting paid. Shout out to the Discord family again. I gotta shout y'all out. I gotta show y'all love. If you in that call, notice that we got in this call when it was like 170, 171, and we already got up to the 174 mark. Bow. All right, so is RSI overbought on Disney? Absolutely. Absolutely. However, we have not hit the support or the resistance just yet. We right there, though. We right there. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, yeah. A lot of people in the family started running puts on AMD, too. I saw y'all doing that. Kay said she sold the option the same day for 100. One thing that I want you guys to think is this. Whenever you sell an option, like a put option or a call option or whatever, and you make money on the play, you sold it right on time. Always remember that. You sold it right on time. Listen, those hood puts, printing, baby. Hood puts are printing right now. I can see this coming back to the 59. Yo, family, if you in the Discord, just know this is extreme. This is a really bad look for Robinhood. Now, if you can't handle the heat, I understand. But right now, I want you to know, I'm looking for a put on Robinhood, a get in, get out, like get in, get out, and like immediately, like make some money on this before it go back to 59. This is a really bad looking downtrend. And it's a high volume downtrend. So Discord family, again, if I see something good, I'm gonna let you know. I'm looking for the puts right now on Robinhood. Remember, this stock, this is extremely high risk, but right now I'm looking for a put. I'm looking for a put. And for those of you who don't know, a put option is, if you buy one, it's basically a bet that the stock is going to come down because you have reason to believe it's going to come on down. So, okay, I'm looking for a put. All right. Where we at? Huh, they're not showing the puts I want. Oh, man, Robinhood is being funny. If you are on the Robinhood, if you got the Robinhood app, go to it, right? And look at the puts. I don't see any puts here that are lower than 62. I'm trying to adjust my settings so I can see it. But I don't see any puts here lower than 62. Wow. Look, Robinhood, they know exactly what they're doing. That's crazy, right? That's crazy. Charge point is up. Charge point is up. But family, Discord family, I'm going to go over to Webull and see if it's better over there. What am I looking for? Very, very short-term puts on Robinhood. AKA, I want to get in this. I want to make a few bucks on it and then immediately sell it today, if not within 30 minutes of buying it. So I'm on the lookout right now. If I don't see anything that I like, I won't buy it. But if I do, Discord family, you know I'm sending it to you. Let's look. So I'm on Webull now. I'm looking for the Robinhood puts, options. Here we go. And let's change this from calls to puts. Okay. So for today, right? I'm on the puts. Yeah, huh? So family, the market makers, it seems, have only got puts all the way down to 62 on. I'm trying to get in and out of this. And this one is $1,000. And I don't want to get that one. Now it's 900. Yeah, I don't want to get that one. I want a better one. Somebody said check out September 17th. Okay. Huh. Yo, Robinhood is so weird. Like, of a stock. It's so weird. Yeah, all right. Let me look at August too, because I'm trying to get out of this. I'm trying to get in and out of this for cheap. I want to get in cheap. I want to get out. Okay, 1,040. Man, yeah, the prices. Who is the market maker? Family, go to your Webull puts right now, right? And look at the prices, how they're organized on this. This is crazy. Who is the market maker for these puts? Yeah, and look, and check this out. Go to a further date on the puts, and then they're significantly lower. Like, for example, in September. Who is the market maker on these puts? What? It seemed... Somebody said it's not weird, it's criminal. Listen, what is going on, family? What is going on? Let me tell you something. It's always looking like a duck. It's always quacking like a duck when you see somebody doing something slippery like this. I'm just waiting for them to slime and roll. Like, just be a slime ball all over the place. Yeah. Come on now. Come on with this. All right, let's see. Again, so we got, all right, I'm looking at one right now. It's not bad. It's not bad of a price. Some of them are crazy. Some of them are absolutely crazy, and it makes you think, it almost looks artificial. It almost looks artificial. Jeffrey, he said the Pens and Disney options are printing. You Discord family, I could tell. Yeah, family. Once this break under the 50, we gonna print. All right. But again, I want you to know, if we've ever done an option other than AMC, this one is crazy high risk. Crazy high risk. But I'm gonna load up. On it. Let me look at the open interest. Make sure when you're checking out your option plays, family, that it has open interest, like a good, decent amount. You don't want to get into no option that nobody wants. All right, so let's see. Man, it's really coming down. It's at a support. You see this? I'm gonna put a horizontal line. So for those of you watching me do this in person, right, in real life, I'll send it to the Discord if I find a good one. But look at this. We're on a downtrend, but take a look at this red line right here. We're at a support line. We want to buy a put because we think it can break under this line, right? If it breaks under this line, we could be in a free fall. That's great when you have a put option, when you bought a put. But if you buy a put literally right now, it's kind of a 50-50 gamble because we are at a support. It could bounce. So what we want to see is it bounce up but not get higher than this. Than this right here. We want to see it bounce off of the support. And notice, look, it's happening right now. It's bouncing off of this support line. It's coming back up. We want to see it come like to right here. So then we could get in and then go back down. What does this mean? This will mean that we're in a downtrend. Because, for example, I'm going to put a third line. I'm going to delete this one. But let's say that we come up to like right here to this. I'm going to make these colors that you can recognize like a traffic light, right? Take a look at this. So you got red, this is the support. You got yellow. We want it to come up, approach this line, and then come back down. Because notice, this will be a downtrend. We have a high, we have a lower high, and then we would have an even lower high right here. And then we could break under the support and then ride the wave, crashing down to like 50. This is what we want to see. I want to load up on it right now, but it's a gamble because we're on a support. Remember that. It's very, very weird and not a great idea to load up on a put on a support line because you're just going to be battling with it. We don't want to battle with a support. You want it to break. So Discord family, just know. You see me right here, right now. I'm on the lookout, baby. I'm on the lookout. Let's get it. You see that? Look, you see how I'm doing this live. Let's put our channel here. So, in technical analysis, a lot of people make it crazy complicated, right? But what I want you to understand is all you're trying to do is identify in any technical analysis. You're trying to identify the beginning of a trend change. There are three trends, right? You know, we keep it real, we keep it raw. There's an uptrend, there's a downtrend, and then there's consolidation. You want to identify the beginning of one, right? So all you really need for like rudimentary, like super crazy basic technical analysis is you need to create a tube. This is called the channel, like a tube, right? Create a tube. And as you learn more, you can do more. But for now, keep it simple. And I always tell you, I want to teach you how to fish. So notice, we are in this downtrend here. Technically, we had a shorter downtrend right here, but realistically, we have a downtrend here. See this? So Robinhood is now trading in this descending line of resistance or of support, right? It bounces off of this line. It comes up to this line. It bounces and comes down. But we do have this support line right here. So notice, if you didn't know what I was doing here, you might have just picked up on a put, like literally right now, right? And then it would have been turning green on you because you wouldn't have known. Don't load up on a put at the very beginning of a support, like as soon as it bounces off a support. Because what's happening is there are many people who have what is called a limit buy order set at support lines. So then you generally are always going to get some buying pressure at these supports. But what we want to see is to come up and then we want it to hit this and then squeeze into here and then break. And then if we do that, then boom, we are all set for the rush down into the 50s. And then we could ride the wave down. But remember, this is Robinhood. And we already know that the big dogs are trying to make this win and stuff like AMC lose. So they can load up at any point. So when you ride the wave down on Robinhood, get in, get out. Get in, get out. But we're looking for a better price. So if you look at the puts right now, the puts that if you reload your screen, you should start to see better and better prices. Like, for example, the one that I'm looking at right now, I see it's $100 cheaper than it was when I first opened this. Why? Because it's going green. It's going green. So again, pay attention. Make sure you pay attention to this. I want to teach you how to fish so you can learn how to eat for a lifetime. Maybe one day I'm not on live and then you still know what to do. So yeah, notice, but we going green, but we want to see it hit this because then we got a high, we have a lower high, and then we're looking for a lower high that shows us again that we are in the downtrend, baby. Healthy Girl T, appreciate you. She said hit the like button. That's love. That's love. That's love. If you in the Discord and you in the Pinterest call, it should be up. And let's see. Let's see what Disney is. Disney still going up? Yo, let's go. Disney is still going up. Look at this. Disney is all day today high, intraday high. Family, that Disney call got to be printing for you right now. Printing. Printing, baby, printing. Let's get it. All right, so now let's go back. Let's keep paying attention to this one. See, again, we're in this. Here we go. Boom. But notice it's struggling right here because we're getting into this downtrend. The puts should be getting cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. So, okay, I'm going to look for one. I really want to see it break below this 60. Does Bill Gates admit meeting Epstein hurt Microsoft? I don't know. Microsoft is a banger. Listen, just because the leader may have did some shady stuff, the company is still doing services that people are paying for. Okay, yeah. So look, see, we finding some. It's still going up. It's still going up. Here we go. All right, let's check AMC. So AMC is breaking down. AMC is breaking down, but it's about to hit support at high 28. High 28 range. Okay, so let's add a support line there. Let's take this all the way from up here and let's put it right here. We do not want to see AMC break under this. However, if it do, just know I'm diamond handed, baby. Somebody said, why y'all sweating? Right? Listen, no need to sweat, baby. Let me tell you this. Because somebody said, Keenan, what if the shorts get it all the way back down to $12 or $10 and then try to cover there? Notice this. There are so many short sellers that if they get this thing down to $12 and then some institution covers, what's going to happen is they're going to raise the price from 12 to 15 from them covering. And then somebody else is going to cover. And they're going to raise the price from 15 to 20, right? And then somebody else is going to cover. And they're just going to keep just running it back up. There's no way that they could get out of running it up. But what's even better than that is we know that large institutions, they got into this position from being greedy. They didn't get into this position from not being greedy. So they don't want to break even and get to their original price and get out. They want to win. They want to win. That's what they want to do. Okay, family, look, Robinhood. We're in a downtrend. We are in that downtrend. High, lower high. Yep, look at this. Boom, broke it. We broke it. Okay, so now, again, high risk, high reward. Let's look. All right, so look, I'm ready to get a put on this. Here we go. What was that? Let me see. I want to get a good price on this. All right, here we go. What date? All right, so in and out. Discord family, we broke under the support. I put in a order. This one, I'm going to send it to the Discord. If you're trying to get into the Discord right now, I can help you get in a bit. But right now, I'm about to send my Discord family this order that I'm looking at right now. Remember, this is one of the top highest risk plays because Robinhood is crazy manipulated. We're trying to run it on a momentum play, right? Don't get greedy on this. Don't get greedy on this. I'm about to send it to you. This is a put option. I'm waiting to get a fill. I'm getting in. This is a get in, get out. Just know, the big dogs, they want you to lose a lot of money. So if you get in and you see the trend change, you already know what time it is. And remember, options, got to tell you this, have the risk of losing 100%. All right, so Discord family, I'm sending you this. I'm trying to get a fill on it. I like this price. If I don't get the fill, I don't get the fill. But I'm trying to get the fill at this price. Oh yeah, family, yeah. That Pinterest, the Pinterest call, waking up, baby. Let's go. Uh-huh. And this is only the beginning. But yeah, Discord family, I just sent you this one. Notice, remember, I want you to understand that this one, high risk. This is Robinhood, baby. Robinhood, the big dogs. You know they don't play fair. You know they don't play fair. We want this to come back up. Give us our fill price. Make sure you pay attention to the fill price. We trying to get a good fill, and then we trying to ride the wave down, get in, get up out of that. We still in this downtrending channel, so this is good. My plan with this, and again, I can't legally tell you when to get out of this, Discord family, but I want you to understand. My guy, he said, I don't see any puts under 62. Jay, what I want you to do is, and if I'm not mistaken, Rob, what I want you to do is go to a different date. The August, the September, all of these other kind of dates, then these ones have different under 62 strikes. But yeah, yo, my guy said this. I want you to understand this. That's you on point. New creation. He said Robinhood is super high risk, or super high risk, super high reward. That's a fact. That's a fact. Crazy high risk, crazy high reward. So I put in this fill price. Extremely high risk. Robert, if you in, hit me up. Send me a DM on Patreon if you need my help. Can I join your Discord from the phone? Yeah. Zach, the link is in the top. The link is on the top. I pinned it for everybody who want to see it. If you do, you do. You don't, you don't. But I pinned it. If you're trying to get in and you having trouble, I can't technically help you right now, but it looked like, shout out to Tammy. She's in there helping people to get in. Appreciate you, Tammy. Kay said, I only want the reward. Listen. Yo, family, Disney is printing right now. If you in the Discord and you still holding on to the Disney call, tag me. Tag me. Tag me. Tag me. I want to see it. I want to see it. If you in the Discord and you still in the Disney call, tag me. I want to see it. Let's go. My guy said best $5 a month is being in the Discord. Let's get it. Let's get it. If you still in this Disney call, tag me. My guy said I just sold it at 700. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, you already know. Tammy, Silverback, got you. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, look, let's take a quick look again. We got to make sure we paying attention to what we're trying to get into. So we coming back up and we're fighting. Let's look if we got our fill. Because notice, we trying to get a good fill. It's not always about just getting in it. Sometimes you got to get the price you like. So right now, the price is coming down towards our fill price, but we didn't fill yet. But we getting close. I was tempted to hit the ask price, but I felt like it would come back up a little bit, and it is. It is. Oh, I got sneeze. Need help with Discord? Deshaun, if you can see help getting in, right in there. Just right in there. Still in it to win it. Let's go. Somebody said, Keen, vibes up. Let's get it. Come on, baby. I want to get this fill. It's getting close. We're getting closer and closer to our fill price. We this close. We this close. We literally $20 away, which is not much for an option. Let's get it. 0.2. We mega close. But we still in our downtrend. We still in our downtrend. But again, I want you to pay attention. If we break out of this downtrend that we're in, family, remember, Robinhood is crazy high risk. Crazy high risk. What does that mean? That means, bam, we got to get up out. All right, somebody said Ethereum is running. Look at that. Look at that. Boom, you see that? Look at Ethereum running, baby. Look at Ethereum running. Let's go. All right, Deshaun, write to me on either Patreon. If you on my Patreon, right there, write to me there. I could get you in. Write me there. If you in the Discord and you can't see anything, just write in the help chat. But if not, all right, cool. ETC is running too. Somebody said, bless you with the tendies. Look, I got you, family. Look, I told you. Because we knew this Ethereum upgrade that they were doing, we knew we were going to see something like this. So I still didn't get my fill yet. But we're very close. On Hood, I'm very, very close. I'm like right there at the fill almost. So close. We see it going up, but we're still in a downtrend. Bio Nano puts. Shout out to my guy Lewis. He eating Disney. Let's go. Big dog. My guy made a quick 160. Let's go. My dog. My dog. Look, that's what I'm talking about, baby. I might feature you in the next video, big dog. Let's get it. Square is running up too. Listen, Discord family, look, I love getting money with y'all. Yeah. And the best thing about it is it's not luck. It's literally not luck. You see what time it is. All right, family, look. I'm about to get my fill. I'm about to get my fill on this option. It's right there. It's right there. You see this green candle? I'm about to get my fill. I didn't fill yet, but I'm about to get. I can see it. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. I can see it. Since we got the green momentum, look, we are right there at the ask. We right there at the ask. And then we want to see this thing come right back down. Bow! Remember, family, once we get in the fill, we getting in, we gonna come down with it. Remember, this is one of the most manipulated plays in the opposite direction of AMC. Allegedly, supposedly, right? See this coming up? But notice, we got a high, we got a lower high. We working on our lower high right here. And we're trying to get in. All right, boom, I'm filled. I'm in the play. I'm in the play. Notice it's still running. We want to see this thing. Bow, tank. We want to see it crash against this line. I do not plan on staying in this one long. Boom. Okay. So far, I'm up on the play. All right, so we want to see this one come down. Remember, Robinhood, crazy. I'm in the play. I'm in the play. We need to see this thing hit this line and then bam, come on right back down. If it breaks out and then it confirms that it's out, I'm getting out of it. I'm getting out of it. We're not gonna let the institutions run this one up and we on a put. But just know, we got a decent fill. We got a very solid fill. And now we got some green candles, but don't let this shake you out. We're still in a downtrend. We still in the downtrend. We just need to see this thing bounce off of our resistance and come on back down and then crash right below this line. Let's get it. Yes, Pinterest, yep. Pinterest is moving. The Pinterest option is moving. Come on, baby. We need to see this one. Look at this. You see this? We still in this downtrend. So now, technically, you could say that this is a high and this is a slightly higher high. So this is an indicator of a reversal. Let's see. But that's the 1 minute chart. Never take the 1 minute chart way too serious. Pay attention to it, but way too serious. No. Come on, we want to see you crash, baby. You in hood? It's scaring you? Listen, everybody, I want you to notice. I want you to notice. This one is crazy manipulated. Allegedly. Nobody trying to get sued, right? Allegedly, supposedly. So, we want to see this one crash down. And again, if we see it, one thing I want to tell you this. Somebody said, hold my hand. I want to tell you this, man. Look, this is exciting. This is exciting. We are playing chess. We're not playing checkers, right? So what I want you to understand is you can't win chess in one move, not just from the gate. We just got in this play. If we see it break out of our channel and confirm out of the channel, we might have to take a few dollar loss to get into an even better one and then come on the way down. But notice, we still in the downtrend. We still in the downtrend. Boom. Let's get it. You gotta have them on today. You gotta have them on today. You gotta have them on. Yo, Ethereum is running. It got up to 2,800. Ethereum is running. All right, boom. Come on, Robinhood. Come on, Robinhood. Come on back down to the support, baby. Hey, if you in the Robinhood play, you're up. If you're in it, you're up. We need to see this we want to see this crash down. Come on, baby. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Disney is still running. Look at that. Disney broke through the resistance. Disney broke through the resistance. Somebody say Amazon is running. Family, I'm so mad that Amazon is running. You have no idea. Because I tried to load up on a lot of Amazon last night, but I put a market order when I should have put a limit order. And then I noticed that it didn't fill. Because I don't really care what price is Amazon, because I'm holding this for I'm holding this for 20 years at minimum. My guy, Be Busy, much love, much respect, big dog. He said, peace and love, KG. Hey, check out Ethereum token. It's called Alchemy. What's the ticket for it, big dog? And is it on Webull? Let's see. Whoop, did I spell that wrong? No, I'm not seeing it. ALCHEMY. I'm not sure this is what you mean. But all right, so look, let's go to AMC. Let's check them out. AMC is currently $29. We're holding at the 29 mark. Okay, family, look like Robinhood is going up. We're getting to the top peak of our resistance. We're getting to the peak of our resistance. Let's see if we break it, or let's see if we come down. Remember, this is exciting. This is exciting. Oh, look, they trying to break it. They're trying to have a trend reversal. Let's go to the 1 minute. Okay, so look at this. Low, higher low, or higher high, higher high in the 1 minute chart. So this is a slight uptrend, but we want to see this thing break. We want to see it break. We want to see it break down. If you can't handle the heat, baby. If you can't handle the heat, just know I'm in it to win it. But look, it's working. You see this? It's bouncing off of this descending line of resistance. It's bouncing off of it. We want to see it keep coming down. ACH. All right, big dog. Oh, it must not be on Webull. That might be on Coinbase or something. Come on, Robinhood. We want to see you break right here. Somebody said, don't come in the hood if you scared. It's exciting. Yep, Disney is running. Let's go. Somebody said Robinhood is mooning. Don't buy puts. Robinhood is down 11%. So now be cautious. We starting to what looks like break above. Oh, no, we're still in it. We're still in it. It's really fighting this line of resistance. We want to see this thing come back down. Remember though, family, if it breaks out of this trend, then it's okay to take what is like, let's call it a few percent loss from taking 100% loss. You got to just pay attention. Remember, this is the most, you never go down with the ship on something crazy like this. You got to turn your offense into defense. However, we're at the ascending line of resistance. Boom. We want to see it break under it. And even on the minute chart, it's struggling up there. It's struggling up there. We want to see this tank. Break back down for us. Come on now. We want to see it. Look, it's exciting. This one got you. This one make your finger, make how you at the edge of your seat. How you at the edge of your seat. Here we go. Here we go. Break down. Break down for us. Break down for us. You see, our channel is being respected. It's not being disrespected. Our channel is being respected. It's not being disrespected. Rick, I appreciate you for the love. I appreciate you for the love. Just know. All right, family, I want you to see something too. Notice, you could have got scared and cut out right here, but now it's tanking again. So, what I want you to understand is this. If you are in this and you getting scared, you can't handle the heat. I want you to consider cutting out. I want you to consider cutting out. If you can't handle the heat, I won't be mad at you for cutting up out of this. However, remember, this is a high risk, extremely high risk. You know the big dogs want this one to win. You know they want this one to win. But we want to see this one bow, come on down, and crash. Now they're buying it back. Come on down, baby. Come on down. This hood play got me woken up now. Oh yeah, we awoke now. You gotta pay close attention. You gotta pay real close attention to this. You see, I'm not looking away. And if I do, it won't be for long. It won't be for long. Not at all. Let's go back and let's check something else out real quick. Ethereum is coming down a bit. Facebook coming down a little bit. AMC, let's go. Let's get it, AMC. I hope that AMC and Robinhood have an inverse relationship. When one of them go up, the other one come down. This one's going up. We want to see this one bow, keep coming down. Come on down. Come on down. Look at that big red candle. Look at that big red candle. All right, family. At this point, what I want you to do, if you are scared and you at the edge of your seat and you scared you might lose a few dollars, you cannot handle this kind of heat, I want you to consider getting out if you can't handle the heat. Family, Disney is running. Look at that. 175. Good looking out, big dog. Disney is running. Yep. If you in that Disney call, you getting the money right now. Let's go. Why am I running this super high risk play right here? Because this one's fun to watch. This one's fun to watch. It's exciting. It got you at the edge of your seat. But remember, it's this one. Somebody said, I'm so hood, we the best. Remember, this one, I'm playing this one live because this one's crazy high risk. I told everybody in the Discord, this one is going to be really, 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 really high risk. So if you didn't get in on it, it's all good. It's all good. This one's high risk. We'll run lower risk puts or lower risk calls. But I do want you to understand that this one is exciting to watch. And everybody on the edge of their seats on this. Sean said, consider investing in the index funds. Somebody said, I'm scared, but I like it. Look, we having a good time. All right, my guy, Jay, he said, yo, Keenan, how do you know the shorts haven't covered their position at AMC back in January or April? So the short interest, family, if the short interest tells you that there's a certain percentage, this means that they still shorted it and they got to buy these shares back. And as they buy them back, then we're going to run. We're going to run up with money. We're going to get paid. My guy, Rogelio, he said, any Nio calls? With Nio at the 45 mark, it's sitting basically at a resistance, at a support, depending on if it's over or above. At this point, it's above it. So you could imagine it'll go up a bit, but Nio tends to come down at these points, and they don't have any like banger news coming out. So at this point, you could more than likely run a put. More than likely, to be honest with you. But we want to see this one go up. But let's go back to Robinhood, family. This one is not for the faint of heart. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's trying, family. This one is trying to break. It's trying to break our resistance. It's trying to break the resistance. Do they have it in them? Do they have it in them? Everybody before, when we got back to the 0 point, I told you if you scared, you could get on out. If you can't handle the heat. Kay said this really is exciting. Your nerves, right? This really is exciting. This one is a really high risk, high reward. If it break, but again, I want you to understand the game, just so you know what we're doing here. We playing around with the with the big dogs, and they know what time it is. They not playing fair. If this one breaks and holds above this, then we just gonna cut out. That's the plan. If it breaks and holds above our resistance, then we going into an uptrend and we'll cut out. And then we'll reassess if we're gonna get back in. But you gotta have your oven mitts, baby. You gotta have your oven mitts. Super high risk. Ooh, look at that. Woo! Look at that. Boom! So we are above, on a minute chart, we are above the ascending line of resistance, which means we broke the pattern. So this one is now officially in an uptrend. See this? Boom, boom. Here we go. There's two ways to play this. The next way you can play this is you could say this. You can say, okay, look, let it come back down to the support and get out. Or what you could do is this. You can say, you know what? I still think this thing gonna drop today. Because overall on the day, we on a downtrend. We had a slight uptrend, but overall on the day, we got a downtrend, baby. It's getting hot in the kitchen. It's getting hot in the kitchen. So we officially in an uptrend on Robinhood. It could go to about 66 and then come back down. Perhaps it go to 64 or 5. Come on down, Rob. Remember, the big dogs want this thing to win. This one is crazy high risk. Crazy high risk. Crazy high risk. Come on back down, baby. But it's not going to come down all the way to this red. It's going to come down closer to like low over here. It won't come all the way back down to this red. But we in an uptrend. Boom. Let's get it. Come on back down. Come on back down a little bit. All right, family, look. So now, since we broke out of the trend, but it's coming down some, I'm getting out of this, and I'm going to roll it. What does that mean? You sell. You don't have to. You don't have to. Because notice, we got the August 20th. This one could still come way down. Boom. But I'm looking to get out of this. This one's crazy high risk. And then, bang, get up into a better one. Boom. You know the big dogs. You know the big dogs want this stock to win, but we want to see it lose. At least today. Come on down, baby. Here we go. Come on back down just a bit. Just a bit. Notice though, remember, it's still in an uptrend. It's still in an uptrend. Let's get it. Somebody said AMC is on fire now. All right. So you do not want to ride this one on a put up to 66. So I'm out. Okay. Boom. Let me hit the Discord so they know. At everyone. I'm out the Robinhood play. Remember, super crazy high risk. Never go down with the ship on it. Family, don't. All right, and then at, let's see. Where my emojis at? Here we go. You got to know when to cut out. You got to know when to cut out, baby. But just know this. I'm looking to get back in. I'm looking to get back in. Just know. Just know. We still coming to short y'all like you been short AMC. Look. Look again. You gotta know how to play defense. I know, family. Dan said, "Can you say you staying away from hood?" This one's fun. This one is fun. This one is fun. Now it's in an uptrend. You gotta have fun some days. Especially when you see AMC come down from 70 all the way down to 30 and being manipulated like this. Come on now. We gotta have fun. I'm looking. AMC, yes. Look at that. Look at this giant green candle. We like it. To be fair though, family, I want you to understand. If you did want to hold on to the put, this one could print. Just know. You don't have to get out because I'm getting out. This one could print. Yeah, somebody said they dumping money in put. I mean, in this one, you right. You absolutely right. They dumping money into it, trying to make it run. I wonder if they're watching us. Let's go. Tears in the chat. Keen, you have to be brave to be live trading. I can't think of another trader bold enough to do it. Hey, listen, you got to know. Look, I try to really get on here to teach you, right? So notice this. We got in on the technicals, right? Pay attention so you can see what we did, so you can know how to do it yourself. We got in here we saw it break, and then we saw it come back, touch the resistance. We got in. And then we noticed that it came up and broke past our resistance line. So you know how some people, like, they get into an option, and every single time they either hit a home run or go all the way to zero? You have to know when to get out at let's call it a 10% loss or something like that. You got to know when to get out of it when you're watching it. That's why I tell you, don't have 100 different calls or 100 different puts, so you can know, oh, it's time to get out of this. They broke past our line of resistance and now they're in a new trend. It's time to get out. So then you get out and then you lose, let's call it 10%, and it's not luck. A lot of people either hit the home run or go to zero, and a lot of the time it's luck. So what you got to do is say, okay, look, I see a trend change. It's time to know what you're doing and know how to fish. That's what it's all about. Know how to fish. Know how to fish, baby. So I said, Keenan the big dog, he could do it live. That's right. Let's get it. I appreciate you. Yo, the Disney call got to be printing. Printing, baby. Absolutely printing. And look, when Robinhood, I think I'll play it one more time. When we see it break out of this, I'm riding that wave down. But you got to understand, I'm telling you every single time, this one is crazy high risk. Crazy high risk. Why? the highest risk because the big dogs want it to win. The big dogs want to see this one win because they are all in like a fraternity. They're in cahoots. Let's get it. Said Keenan, the half suit man. Now I'm suited up, baby. Nio is running. Nio's up. Somebody say, yeah, they definitely watching. They probably are watching. They watching me. They watching us. They know what we're doing. Listen, that's what I'm saying. You gotta pay attention. Here we go. Hey. That's right. They ain't like they don't want Robinhood to come down. They don't want Robinhood to come down. Let's see. Let's see though. We'll leave this one and we'll let it run in this channel for a little bit. Let's go check out the one, the only AMC Entertainment. So AMC is really choppy today. Really, really choppy today. 28 on the low. Somebody said Discord gang got your back. Let's get it. Discord, somebody said Disney, oh my lord. Listen, yeah, the Disney one is printing. Print. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Woo, look at this. You see? I told you, you gotta know when to cut out. Now this thing is 64. And remember, everybody, I want you to really understand what happened, right? Let's play this back. You play it on the technicals, and it broke under the support. The support is 60. Where did we get the support from? Touch here, and it broke under it here. And then it broke under it here, which is a sign that it could come down. It broke out of our channel over here. We knew to get out right here. So you got to know this stuff. So when you trade in options and stuff like that, you don't end up losing 50% or end up losing 20% or something like that. You know when to get out of it. That's a huge thing that a lot of people who trade options, they don't want to show you that. They don't want to show you when to know when you got to get out because you're in a trend reversal. Why? Because everybody's so into being perfect all of the time that they don't show you how to react when it's not going in your way. That's the real value that we provide. When you see that it's not going your way, you know how to respond. Somebody said, we love you, especially my 8-month-old. He smiles every time you say your intro. That's love. That's love. That's love. And he said, my first super chat ever. I appreciate you, baby. I see you in the promised land, big dog. I see you in the promised land. That's right. That's so true. That's love. I want to see. Hold up. We got a minute chart? Why does AMC look? Oh, what's going on with my chart? What the heck is going on with this chart? I might have to X out of Webull and come back in. My candles look kind of crazy, like almost unbelievable. The hour chart looks decent. 30 minute. 1 minute. Yeah, what's going on with this? Oh, this is Nokia. I'm like, this is not AMC? Okay, I'm bugging. BNGO, Nio, Pinterest, AMC. Okay, here we go. Great. Excellent. Excellent. Let's go. I'm like, what the heck? What the heck is going on with this? Charles said, you're awesome. Appreciate you. Oh, you're right. Montana and Rose. They said, you know what? Plotkin, they hired them people to watch us. Remember that. Nobody said Keenan bugging, right? I'm like, yo, what's going on with this? This the ugliest. Look at this chart. It looked like the Matrix, like zeros and ones. Like, look at that. But this is Nokia. Yo, if you running puts on AMD, you're getting money. My guy said that CTRM is still running. CTRM. Yep, it is. Run. My guy Nepal said, man, you're my idol. I've learned so much from you and I watch daily. Check out the super chat. Oh, yeah. Hold on, let me get out of this one. Delete. We don't need to see it. We don't need to see it. And AMC still in the uptrend. Is Robinhood. Look at that, family. Robinhood is back in this downtrend again. Just like I told you, if you wanted to hold on to the Robinhood put, it could come back down and then literally crash all the way back down there. And break under that 50. Because now it's back in the downtrend again. It broke out of the uptrend. And it's headed right back. Bow. They watching us, family. I'm convinced. They watching us. They got eyes on us. 2,700 people in the building. It's very likely that at least somebody is a plant. AMC is hitting 31. Nio 45. Okay, so Discord family. So we running an option for what day is that? We have a Nio September 17th call. Nio September 17th. Right now on it, I'm on 18%. 18% red. So now we could hold and let Nio run up to the past 50, or this would be a decent time to basically roll. Now that Nio's up, this would be a decent time to roll, but you don't have to. Let's get it. Somebody said they tapped in. Bow. The eyes is on us. But again, I want to say this: if you stayed in, I did get out. But if you stayed in that put, you still could run, because we had until the 20th. You still could run, baby. Somebody said I don't want to sell my long-term stocks to buy options. Yeah, don't do that. AMC is running. Keep running. We broke past the resistance. Let's go. However, again, I want you to understand. This AMC and Robinhood, technicals work on them a little bit. But the reason is, how do you roll? Just like with the Robinhood one, right? Right now, we sold the Robinhood put about right here. We could jump in up here. It's higher, right? So then it'll be a lower cost. It would be a lower cost, and then you could ride the wave right on down, baby. Ride the wave right on down. But let's go back. Where we at? Boom. AMC, where we at? Let's go. How high is Square gonna go today? Yo, shout out to Square. Square might be in all-time high range. Square might just be in all-time high range. Let's go to the day chart. Oh yeah, it passed it. 283.19. 283. Yep, Square is all-time high range. Who knows now? Who knows how high it can go? Usually, when you get up to these points, it starts to jump by fives, like 285, like something like that. So somebody said, explain how to roll. So if you get into an option, right, and then you see that it's going in the wrong direction. So for example, let's go back to Robinhood. If we buy another Robinhood option, like right now, technically that's how we would have rolled. When you sell it, and then you want to buy another option at a better price, because you didn't want to lose money on the ride up, then that's how you roll. You could argue that this is still in an uptrend, but I don't see it. I see it in a downtrend now. But remember, GameStop, AMC, Robinhood, 3 extremely what they would call manipulated stocks. Oh, right. 3 manipulated stocks. What do I mean by that? The big dogs wanted to see Robinhood win, and they wanted to see the others lose. Let's get it. It's my F Robinhood. Yo. Come on down, baby. Come on down back to the 160. I mean, to the $60 range. I can see this coming back to the 60 range. Man, this one is crazy high risk. Let's go. All right, let's see. So again, now Robinhood, it broke out. I'm going to delete some of these lines. It broke out of this uptrend. I'm going to delete this old trend line that we had before. It broke out of that, and now it's trying to get into a downtrend. Here we go. Let me try to get my extended line. I don't know why this is being funny. All right, boom. But notice, this is the weakest downtrend ever. AMC is still running. Let's go. We broke over the 32. We got over 31. Now we trying to get up out of the 32 range. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's get it, baby. Shout out to the big dog, the beast, the GOAT, the lotto ticket, the best one that anyone's ever had. AMC is like the Handmaid's Tale. They're watching. Yikes. Yikes. Oh, family. AMC is at today's high. It was at 32.54. Now it's at 32.59. So we in a free run. We in a run. Oh, somebody said, you see the handle? Look at this. Woo! You see that? Bow. We might have the cup. Let's see if we can make the handle. Somebody said, do shots every time somebody mentions up, cup, and handle. I said, get the likes up, family. Look, if you appreciate what we doing here, hit that like button for your boy. Hit that like button for the boy. Let's go. Let's check them again. Let's see if Robinhood stays in this downtrend, this super weak downtrend. I guess we can X out of this old uptrend. All right. Tesla is doing straight on the day. AMC is doing well. Don't get it twisted. It's doing well. Sakina, you're the GOAT, beast, the big dog, the OG, the Don. Jay, I appreciate you, big dog. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh, I see the tears in the chat. Oh, let's get it. Tears in the chat. They got 1,000 spies. Oh, they can watch all they want. They can't stop us. They cannot stop us. My guy Jay, he said AMC is going to 38 today. He can see the future. Keenan is a banger. Yeah, that's love. That's love. It's always a vibe. Look, I'm telling you, it's always a vibe. Robinhood, come on back up. Come on. So we got a low, we got a higher low, and we have a higher low. This is still technically somewhat of an uptrend, but it's starting to downtrend. It's starting to downtrend, but it's trying to break in back into this downtrend. It's trying to break out of it, baby. And remember, my people who are in the Discord, when we get into some calls that will be lower risk than Robinhood, Robinhood is crazy, crazy, crazy high risk. I want you to know that. Did you watch the verses? I did. Are you talking about the Dipset and the locks? Yeah, Jadakiss did his thing. Somebody said, drip, let's get it. Oh yeah, we in this downtrend, baby, for sure. For sure. Okay, but now let's check them out. Are they gonna cover today? I feel it. A hedge fund in London is shorting AMC now? No, I didn't see that. So the family is stronger than the hedgies. That's right. That's right. Pam, the trader. Yo, I love Pam. I want you to know that. I appreciate you. Always, 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 always. You are a silverback through and through. And I always thought this about you. I appreciate you for the love. Just know that. Bless you. You and all our Ape families. Much love and respect to you, Keenan. Let's go AMC and GME. Thanks, everyone, for holding. Let's get it. Family, I want to see Pam get rich off of AMC. I feel like if anybody deserves it, she one of them. Just know that. All right, so Keenan, if you were a stock, I would buy and hold like AMC. You're such a banger. That's love. That's love. My guy George, he said, or Jorge or George, depending on how you want to say it. He said, I'm long D block. That's right. That's right. Oh, family, let's take a look. So let's pay attention to this. Bio Nano is back in the $6 range. I swear to you. Let's zoom out. This one got crazy cheap options, but let's take a look. Every time this thing comes up to like the 630s or 620s, this thing comes right back down into the 5s. So if we see it high, we were looking to ride the wave right back down. Ride that wave right back down. Robinhood again, let's check them. Yep, Robinhood's in that downtrend. Here we go. So if you still in that call or that put option, it looked like it's really about to print. It looks like it's really about to print for you. Look at that. Bam. Because on the day, long day, downtrend. Let's see if it bounces off our line of support, our line of resistance. Oh no, this is a support line. Let's see if it bounces off our support. Man, Robinhood, this one is playing games. Playing games with everyone. Where's Kitty? She's over there running around, but she's walking around. She's really calm right now. Nio is holding strong, close to 46. Let's go. CTRM is still running, family. Isn't today such a weird day on the market? Today's such a weird day on the market. Square, don't tell me that. Somebody said Keenan the stock market profit. Let's get it. I appreciate you, big dog. Oh, I thought Square was already 300. You see it going there. Okay. I see you. Let's go. Said, let's go. Thank you for all you do, big dog. I appreciate you. Just know that. Just know that. D Block wasn't playing. No, they wasn't. Bullish on Keenan. Let's go. Together, look, we got this. That's right. Together, we got this. The apes, we're holding strong for each other. And that's what matters. That's what's important. Disney, let's look at Disney again. Yo, come on. Disney got to 176. Come on. Banger. We knew this was going to be a banger down here. And Disney is one of those, if you do call options on Disney, when it's all the way down on support, way less risk than something like Robinhood or something like AMC for the people who want lower risk on the call options. Or even the puts. My guy Peter, he said, good work. And keep up the good work on AMC, all other stocks. Love your style. I appreciate you, big dog. That's love. Just know it. You already know how we do. My guy Mark, he said he gonna join soon. Appreciate you, family. We ready. We ready to have you in the family. Just know. All right. So while we here, let's take a look. Let's see if we can find some play that's not as crazy. And look at this, family. We coming right back down. Right back down. Boom. Again, I can't stay in a Robinhood put or call because I can't watch it all day. Technically, again, the put that we just ran for Robinhood, this one could print like I was telling you earlier. But I can't watch it all day, so then I won't hold it. I can't. Because you want to go to the gym. You want to live your life. You don't want to be checking your phone every 3 minutes to see if Robinhood is up or down, to see if the big dogs put $1 billion in it, or if everybody else shorted it. You can't have that stress in your life. This is why on Robinhood kind of plays, I'm in and I'm out. I'm in and I'm out. On Disney, you could go away. You could not look at it. On Pinterest, you could go away. You could not look at it. But something like Robinhood, you got to keep your eye on it. My guy Todd Bailey, he said, Berserker Ape. Oh yeah, shout out to you, big dog. I thought that was dope. If you're talking about what you sent me on Twitter, I thought that was dope. We passed 3110. We're going to get some new baby apes. That would be dope. 3110. Where we at? AMC. Bam. Let's go. Hey. Here we go. Let's run back up. I see some tears in the chat. Let's go. Robinhood is so sneaky, right? Allegedly, supposedly. Nobody trying to get sued. Look at this. Downtrend. Woo, riding a wave. So we coming right back to bounce off of the 60 again. Love from Singapore. Shout out to Singapore. Nio broke the 46. Let's go, Nio. Hey, today is high for Nio. We in the 46. Somebody said, there's the handle. Let's look. Oh, there we go. Let's look. Somebody, yep. Let's get it. Let me delete this Nokia one because I keep wanting to click it. Delete. Disney is up. Look at that. From 172 today all the way up to 176. But Nio, let's get it and let's go. Oh, family, look. You know what time it is, baby. You already know what time it is. Hold on 1 second. You can hear where the voice is going. Oh, I might have did too much. Okay, baby. So, here we go. It's your boy Keenan Grace, and this is Keenan Grace Radio. I like to give a shout out to all of the apes. I like to give a shout out to everybody who hold a Nio, and I just want you to know this is good for the environment. It's an EV play, and we love it. So we're gonna make this money. So if you're in Nio right now, notice that Nio is $46 a share, and if you got a call option on Nio, baby, guess what? You should be loving the price right now. Let's get it and let's go. So if you put some tears in the chat for AMC. You got to let me see that right now. I need to see some tears in the chat. If you don't want to break your mother's back, put some tears in the chat. If your boyfriend or girlfriend ain't whack, put some tears in the chat. If you look good with or without a hat, put some tears in the chat. I just hope you brought your oven mitts, baby, because this is Keenan Grace Radio. The Keenan Grace Radio is going off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go, AMC. Yo, all right, my guy Chris, he said this. He said, the only one other YouTuber I'm giving super chat to, TMI and you, congrats. Let's bring the tendies home together. Much respect. Chris, the big dog, the beast, the silverback. Let's go. That's love, baby. That's love. Somebody said, Keenan, such a great personality. I got you. Look, Keenan Grace Radio, baby. You already know how we do. Oh boy, y'all listen. You ever laugh so hard the back of your head, like on the side of your head, start hurting, like you just been smiling for too long? Being out here with y'all is such a vibe. It's such a vibe. Oh boy. Oh boy. All right, let's take a look. So again, if you still in that put, you should be up basically by now. Let me just double check. I got out of it. I want you to know. I got out of it. I was down like 8%. I got out of it. I can't watch this one all day. Let's go. My guy Lorf, he said, thank you so much for making the mornings that much better. I got you, big dog. I appreciate you. And just know it's love, baby. It's love. We in here together. We watching these stocks be manipulated, but we gonna have fun doing it. We gonna have fun doing it. I appreciate you for that. We see Nio running up. We like to see it. We see AMC. Look at that. It was $28. Now it's $32. We like to see it. We like to see it. Somebody said, I like how you're always happy. And this is a crayon-eating ape. Shout out to the crayon-eating apes. Listen, let me tell you something, family. I always tell you this, time and time again. And this is helps me to be in a good mood. First of all, I tell you this time and time again. Don't invest into a company that you don't believe in and don't understand, right? I really mean that. And the reason I mean that is because when I see AMC come down to 28 or something like that, if I see AMC go down to $1, I would still hold on to all of the shares that I have. Why? Because I believe in the short squeeze potential of the play. I totally understand it. And every single day, we come to a deeper understanding of how the lengths that the short sellers want to go through to keep us away from having money on this stock. You didn't know about, and I said this before, you didn't know about threshold security lists before AMC. You probably didn't know about short selling before AMC. You definitely probably didn't know about naked short selling, right? All of these things we're learning about AMC. You learn about the reverse repos. You learn about all of these naked shorting ETFs. You learn about the dark pool. You learn about the not dark pool. We learn so many things. So then when you see all of these things that they're trying to do to keep you away from making money on AMC, it shows you time and time again that there's a lot of money to be made here. Excuse me, family. So what I'm saying is I believe in this one totally 100% the potential of the squeeze. Now, does that mean that it's going to happen? Nobody can predict the future, right? We always know that the people who are on top, the 1%, everybody else, they could pay to change the rules, allegedly, supposedly, right? So we already know what's going on, but we've learned so much, and we've learned that you may not even have known that the leader of the SEC, right? Gary, how do I spell his last name, right? Gensler. You may not have known who this person was. So Gary Gensler, right? He's the 33rd chair of the SEC. Who's the 32nd chair? You probably don't know. Who is the 31st chair? We're starting to pay attention to the stock market on a level that we've never done before, all due to learning about AMC and the way that it's being manipulated. We're learning so much, right? We know the name Stephanie. Stephanie is her name, Stephanie Cunningham. Stephanie Cunningham. Look at this. NYSE, New York Stock Exchange. The president of the New York Stock Exchange. We know who this person is, right? Who was the president before her of the New York Stock Exchange? We don't know. Why do we know all of these things? Because we're learning so much about AMC. AMC is teaching us. AMC has been more than just money to be made. It has been the education that'll take you through a lifetime, family. Come on now. We're learning so much about the stock market. Oh, look. This just broke into an uptrend. Robinhood. I'm telling you, so crazy manipulated. Allegedly. My guy, Rsi, he said, can I get a woo, Ric Flair, baby? You already know what time it is. Listen, we got 3,300 people in the building. Let me know in the comments where you are from, baby. All right, Discord family. So the Robinhood play, we already know what time it is. You either gonna go short on it for like a week or two or go long on it for like a week or two. Remember, if you get into this on a call option or a put option, make sure that you don't go way too long on it. Now, I seen other people talking about in the comments like the big dogs don't like Robinhood. That's not true. The big dogs love Robinhood. How do we know that? You know me, I always come with the receipts. I always come with the facts. The big dogs, look at this, Robinhood. You and me, we're not trading on a dark pool. They are. And they picked up, hold up, HOOD, Robinhood. Let's just get to the facts. They picked up almost $1 billion, $848 million on Robinhood on a dark pool. Who's buying on here? Not you, not me. Shout out to Germany. Shout out to Hartford. Shout out to New York. I see y'all, baby. I see y'all. Phoenix is in the building. Panama, Aspen, Florida. I see you. Vietnam. Let's go. Japan. Let's talk about it, baby. Austin, Texas. Let's go. We in the building. Tears in the chat. I see you. Somebody said Asbury Park, Dark City. That's right. Texas is in the building again. California, you already know what time it is, baby. But like I was telling you before, who is loading up on basically all of these shares on Robinhood? It's the big dogs. The big dogs want this company to win. They are in a fraternity, in a sorority. They have a deep, I wouldn't be surprised if they had some contract written in blood somewhere. That would not surprise me on a play like this. It wouldn't surprise me at all. They want this one to win. So let's look, before I get up out of here, Discord family, you already know, we really eating on this Disney play. Shout out to the Discord. We really eating on this play right here, the Disney one. But let's go back to AMC and let's see what's going on with it. So AMC, just so you can tell and understand right now, I want you to always be prepared and not surprised. AMC is currently in a slight downtrend. Nothing to get crazy about, but we're in a slight downtrend. Look at this. Let's just put it into a channel, a downtrending channel. But, see this? It's trying to get out of it, but it's in it. It's in a downtrend, but it's only been in this trend since, I guess, an hour. It's been in it for about an hour, and it's trying to, not even an hour. It's been in this trend for like, what, less than 30 minutes, and it's trying to break out of it already. We want to see it get higher than this point right here. Yep, we want to see it break this. I'll make this an orange line. We want to see it break, and it broke. Let's go! Let's go! That is what I'm talking about. AMC, family, I got one question for you. And this is how you answer that question. Put an ape in the chat. Are you an AMC ape, zero, or moon? I want to know. If the answer is you holding this to zero or you holding this to the moon, I want you to put an ape in the chat. I want to see an ape in the chat, family. Zero or moon. Most apes, they say, you know what? We taking nothing less than the moon, or we going straight to zero. Either or, we not gonna let the hedge funds win. If they want to win, they got to take the win. They got to cheat to win. We ain't giving it to them, baby. We ain't giving it to them. I see some baby apes. I see some baby apes in the building. Oh yeah, the apes. Everybody who's in the comments right now who can see what's going on, I want you to see your brothers, your sisters, everybody in the comments who are showing you right now that they are an ape through and through, just like you. Every ape that you see in the comments, this is people. These are all of our people who are holding for you. These people in the comments, everybody that you can see, they want to see you get life-changing amounts of money, family. They want to see you get life-changing amounts of money. Nothing less, baby. Nothing less. We can't predict the future, but do you see everybody in here who has your back? Apes together strong. Look at all of the apes in the comments, family. Look at all of the apes. Every single one of these people in here with us, they are with us. They have our back. Have you seen a trust fall happen before? This is your trust fall right here. Look at them. Look at everybody in here. They say, look, if AMC falls, you could trust me to hold on for you. You can trust me to hold on for you. I'm about to go to Twitter right now because I love what I'm seeing right now. I'm seeing a lot of support. This is what I'm going to call a trust fall. Trust. I'm going to tweet this. If you want to get on Twitter with me, I'm at Keenan Grace right under here. And on Instagram, I'm at Keenan Grace 1. I'm going to Twitter right now, and I'm going to tweet trust fall. Why am I saying this? Because when AMC falls, we could trust the apes to hold on for us. We can trust our ape family to catch us. Apes together strong. I'm tweeting that right now. This is a trust fall. When AMC falls down from 70, look, you see everybody in the comments, family? These are everybody here. You may not know their names. You may not know that, but you see what you need to know. What's known don't need to be explained. Look at that. Look at all these apes in the chat. Look at all these apes. This is an AMC trust fall. You can trust your ape brothers and sisters to have your backs, baby. That's right. That's right. I'm holding for you, and so is everybody else who's in the chat with us, baby. And I want you to know that I love y'all. Man, I really do. Man, I'm seeing this right now. It's crazy. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. I'm holding for you. You holding for me. We holding for each other. This is what time it is. This is a AMC. When it comes down, you know what? This is why you don't need to have the fear, because everybody that you see right now, we holding for you. Listen, you could just close your eyes and just fall back. Boom. The apes is there to catch you. And if you didn't know, apes are strong, baby. Apes are strong. We got you. We got you. I want you to know that. And I want you to believe that, understand it, family. But I want you to know this, family, because if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in the index funds. Family, I'll be back on here tomorrow, 9:15.